Hi, my name is Alena. I just completed the RiseAssist Retreat, and I'm so grateful that I came across this course because it unifies all the knowledge and it covers the main areas of expertise that each and every executive assistant should acquire. Personally, I benefited a lot from the technical skills because in our fast-moving society, in order to be on top, to be very efficient, proactive, and very productive, you have to know all these applications that makes your life much easier, and obviously you will be more efficient to your boss. So thank you very much to the RiseAssist. Thank you very much for Madina for designing such a course, and special thank you for giving us a lifetime access to the online program. It's definitely something that stands out in Dubai, and I think even in the world, because everything will be available and you can every time get back and to learn and to refresh. Thank you so much.